There's a lot of interest in data these days in L&D, but there's a lot of confusion too. How much data is enough to be certain? So what's the best way to gather this? Do we need like XAPI? That can't be right. But when can I show the ROI? Okay, yeah, but I'm not a numbers person. Well, fortunately, you need less data than you think, and you already have more than you realize. I'm Sam Rogers, and I'd like to spend the Monday before DevLearn with you, getting practical and tactical about using data to drive better training decisions. Let's cut through the clutter and see what you need to know and why, how you can know it in the cheapest, simplest, easiest way possible, and how you can use that to tell a meaningful story with what you know to people who don't know as much as you do about learning and development, so they know what you're talking about. It's Preconference Workshop number 6. Hope to see you there.